5 ways to make money online without investment. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways in which you can make money online with your smartphone. You don't have to have a PC, you don't have to have a laptop. These 5 steps. At the end of this video, I will be showing you how you can get started for free without investing any penny. So let's get into the video. Now, for the first on the list, we have fiverr.com. Now, fiverr.com is for freelancers, those that have skills on graphics, design, programming, digital marketing, content writing, even video editing, and those of you that know how to use AI services really well, like how to create AI voiceovers, AI videos, how to create software development, video editing, even SEO ranking on Google. Those of you that have these skills, you can also use Fiverr. You sign up on the website and then you can use them to monetize your skills. Basically, all you do here on Fiverr is you advertise what you are good at doing. You register an account with the platform, you advertise what you are good at doing, then someone needs your services, they are going to hire you. For instance, let's say I need someone to do a voiceover on a video for me. I want to shoot a movie and I need someone to do a voiceover for me. Now, the voiceover, I might choose to hire somebody, I might choose to come on Fiverr and hire somebody, and yes, when I hire the person, I'm going to be able to pay them. That's how it works as well. If you register an account on Fiverr, you can use your email address or you can use your Google account directly or your Apple ID and Facebook to get started, and you can start making money for yourself from as little as $5 per client, from as little as $5 per task. Now, if you haven't seen my video on freelancing, check this video at the top and you'll see how you can make money for yourself if you are a freelancer. Now, this brings us to our second platform, Jump Task. Now, Jump Task is basically an app where you get to, like you said, earn money and rewards. All you need to do here is simple. You just play games and answer some questions, and you get to earn some coins that you can convert into some dollars for yourself. And it's as easy as that. You just have to go ahead to your App Store or your Play Store, whatever your device you're using, and then you download it. And be sure to check out the reviews. You can see it has a good rating for at least 4.4. Make sure to check out the minimum withdrawals as well before you start using this platform. Now, the third platform today is my fave tutor. Now, this isn't like any of the first two websites, so the link to this is going to be in the video description as well, so you can do well to register an account for yourself, and I'm just going to quickly register an account for the purpose of this video. Now you can see I'm asked for email verification code. Okay, so I'm gonna head quickly to my email and I'm going to input the code back to the website. Now, on this website, if you're someone that knows how to code really well, even if you've never done it before but you have an idea of what you are doing, for instance, you know mathematics or you know any subject at all, you can come on this website and register an account for yourself, and thereby after you fill in your details on this platform, you can go ahead to get verified, because they are going to give you a blue tick just like on Twitter to show the students on this platform that you are verified and trusted. Now, after you are done doing this, students will be able to see your profile, and then yes, they are going to hire you for whatever subject you choose you want to tutor on with this platform. If you need a full video tutorial about this, then drop a message. Now before we get to step number 4, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do also like and then subscribe to get more content like this if you enjoyed this video so far. Now head over to your Google and search for Teespring. Alright, it's gonna bring you into the website. You wait for it to load a little bit, and then here you are. So basically all you do here on this website is you design t-shirts. If you are someone that know how to design, you can use Canva for editing. Hell, if you even know how to make graphic design, you can download any image of the shirt that you want to design, download an image of it, go to Canva and make your edits. It's as simple as that. Now to get started on this website, you have to create an account here. You have to fill in all your details, create an account, accept all their policies, and then you just sign up. It's as easy as that. Once you sign up to the website, you go ahead and make your design. Now step number 5, grabpoints.com. Once again, you want to search for grabpoints.com on your Google. Okay, it's gonna bring you this first suggestion. As you can see here, it's even sponsored. Once you are in the website, you want to click on sign up. If you sign up right now, they are going to give you a $1 free bonus, and this $1 you can withdraw it after you've made at least $3. You can make up to $3 in a day. As you can see here, it says that I can earn up to $7 per survey based on the amount of surveys available to me in my country. You will see your country as well when you sign up. So the minimum withdrawal is about $3 for my review, for my research, and it has a good review on Trustpilot as well. It has a good review on Trustpilot as well. So you want to get started, okay? You basically allow the notifications and then you click on the sign up button to get started, fill in your details and create an account. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed, honestly, what are you waiting for? Do also subscribe if you like the kind of videos that I make, and you can check out my channel to see other videos like this as well for money making tips and crypto trading tips. We also share crypto signals on our Telegram group. You can check that. Alright guys, like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.